Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Anu's tuition. Okay, in the last chapter we completed the fractions and decimals. Last chapter that is we completed is second chapter, fractions and decimals. Now I am gonna start the next chapter that is called simple equations. Today we will get the introduction in this topic. Okay, simple equations. Simple equations. Okay, today we will start the new chapter that is called as simple equations. Let us get the introduction of these, and the topics which related to this chapter are, and the topics in this chapter. Today we will go to topics. First one, introduction, and second one is simple equations, and third one is solving simple equations, and fourth one is from solution to equation. Next, applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations. These are the 5 topics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 topics we will discuss in this chapter for the class 7, chapter 3. That is a chapter 3, simple equations. Okay, simple equations. Next, we will get to the introduction part. Let us start. See, here is the chapter 3 for the class 6, and here learning outcomes. The learner is able to, these are the topics which we are able to understand in this chapter. Understand the concept of simple equations, express simple equations into verbal form and verbal form into simple equations. Okay, next, find out solutions to simple equations. Apply the concept of simple equations in other concepts of mathematics. Explore different examples from daily life situations and find their solutions. I am going to start topic today is introduction for the simple equations. If you observe here in introduction, there is a examples for this we will discuss here. Let us discuss about an interesting about through provoking puzzle which is related to real life situations. Okay, here is one example, that is teacher. What she is saying means, Lalita, think of your date of birth in mind. Multiple it with number 3. Suppose we will think her date of birth is 3rd, and what she said, multiply it with 3. Means what we will get, 3 3 is a 9. How much did you get? Means we will get here answer 9. Suppose we will think or 4 and multiply with 3, we will get here 12. What she said, it is my example. What here Lalita said. What she said means her answer she got is 56. Next, teacher said. What teacher replied for this means, she replied that your date of birth is 17. Is it right? Your date of birth is 17. Is it right? She said, yes ma'am. She said, Lalita said, Yes. Lalita said yes. This is the example for the provoking puzzle. Okay, here then second one is also is there. Teacher, Rahim, think of your lucky number, multiply with 6. Here another one example is there. Rahim, think of your lucky number, multiply with 6. Subtract 10 from it. How much did you get? Here is a second example. 1 minute. Here one is second example. Here is a second example. We can see here second one. Rahim, think of your lucky number, multiply with. Here is Rahim, think of your lucky number, multiply with 6 and subtract 10 from it. Think of your lucky number. For example, we will say 3 multiply with 6 equals to 18. Okay, and subtract by 10. 18 minus 10. Then what we will get answer here? 8. She said your lucky number is 3. Okay, we will go to the next topic here. See, here also examples are there. For this introduction part, we will see here daily life situation gave example for this. Next we will go up to this introduction part is over. We will go to the simple equation 3.1. What is the topic? 3.1 simple equation. What is the definition for this? Means an equation in one variable with highest power 1 is known as simple equation. For this definition, I will let it be right. An equation in one variable with highest power 1 is known as simple equation. Okay. What is the definition for the simple equation? Means simple equation, an equation in one variable with highest power 1 is known as a simple equation. Okay, and the examples given for this simple equation we will discuss now. See, if you observe here, this is the simple equation and the definition for the simple equation. Here one example is given for that simple equation. We will discuss now. Example 3x minus 2 equals to 5. This is called a example simple equation. Okay, simple equation. And what we will tell here, coefficient, variable, this is called a variable, this is a constant, these are two are constant. Okay, constant, and this is called a variable. And here I am writing here coefficient. See here, this is called a coefficient, variable, constant. This is an example for the simple equation. Next we will see, and there is a two examples for the simple equations. See, here is one example. Convert the mathematical, here this is one, convert the mathematical statements into simple equation. Here 4 mathematical statements are given, we have to convert into simple equation. For example, one we will see first one. We will see here first one. What is that? 5 added to a number. Is 9. 5 added number to is 9. We will find the simple equation for 5 added to a number equals to 9. Then we have to find here what is the number. Okay. Next, after that this is a process. Up to this here is only the question is. Next one, 4 times a number decreased by 3. By 3 is 5. We will write the simple equation for this answer. 4 times a number decreased means we will get the minus sign. Okay, by 3 is 5. This is a simple equation for the given verbal statement or mathematical statement. This is called a mathematical statement, and this is a simple equation for this mathematical statement. Okay, 2 more there we will see now. Next, third one is there. The sum of 3 times of n and 7 is 13. This is the question, and we have to find the simple equation means answer. The sum of 3 times n and 7 is 13. That is 13. This is a simple equation for the given mathematical statement. And fourth one, what is there? Here is there fourth one. If you will see here, length of a rectangle is 3 times. Length of a rectangle is 3 times. For you, suppose if you think length of a rectangle is length is equals to x, breadth is equals to y. Okay. What is the question given? Length of a rectangle is 3m more than its breadth. 3m more than its breadth. Length of a rectangle already given that x plus 3m. Okay. Length of a rectangle 3m more its breadth. Okay, we will see here only. We will take here x. Here x, and its perimeter is 24m, and its perimeter is 24m. Here length given x plus 3, breadth is x. We have to find here perimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B means 2 into x plus 3 plus x. Okay. Next, what we will get here? 24 meters. Given perimeter, that is equals to 24 meters. Here length will be and breadth will be calculated in meters only. That's why we will get here 24 meters. Up to this, I hope you understand the class. Up to this, the introduction part is over, and here another one example is there.